Welcome to Soldier's Legacy. Sometimes the most dangerous warrior isn't the loudest in the room. Sometimes the deadliest presence is the one no one notices. And sometimes, the quiet figure in the corner carries a history powerful enough to silence even a colonel. Tonight, on Soldier's Legacy, we bring you a story that proves legends don't always stand in the spotlight. The camera pushes into a dimly lit armory. A young woman sits cross-legged on the concrete floor, surrounded by stacks of rifle magazines. Her hands move with calm precision, count, load, tap, align. Each motion deliberate, each round placed perfectly. To the soldiers walking past, she's invisible. Just logistics. Just support staff. Just the magazine girl. Some smirk as they pass. Hey, don't lose count, one recruit jokes. Yeah, sweetheart, we'll handle the real fight, another laughs. She doesn't respond. Not with anger. Not with embarrassment. Just a faint, knowing smile before returning to her work. Her name is Aaliyah. At 19, she arrived at the base assigned to the weapons division as support personnel. Quiet. Disciplined. Never asking for attention. While others brag about deployments and medals, she listens. While others compete, she prepares. Silence, for Aaliyah, is not weakness. It is control. Every magazine she loads feeds flawlessly. Every weapon she cleans fires without hesitation. Not a single jam. Not a single misplaced round. Still, no one looks twice. Until the day Colonel Harrison walks in. The room shifts the moment he enters. Conversations die mid-sentence. Boots straighten. Spines stiffen. He is a man forged in war, eyes sharp, presence heavy. He inspects everything. Rifles. Supplies. Training logs. Then his gaze lands on her. He doesn't look away. He watches the way she grips a rifle, not awkwardly, not casually, but with familiarity. The subtle chamber check without looking. The way her thumb brushes metal like someone who understands recoil by memory. He steps closer. What's your name, soldier? Aaliyah, sir. Her voice is steady. Calm. No tremor. And your role? I keep the weapons ready, sir. Nothing more. But Harrison sees the scars along her fingers. Faint. Old. Not from carrying crates, from years of recoil, of cold steel pressed into skin through long nights. Then he notices something etched faintly into the wood of a rifle she just finished cleaning. A coiled viper. His breath stills. Where did you learn that mark? He asks quietly. The room grows smaller. It's just something I picked up, sir. But Harrison knows better. He's seen that symbol in classified files, in reports few officers were cleared to read. A name whispered across operations that changed the tide of battles. Phantom Viper. Flashback. Desert wind screams across a rocky ridge. A lone sniper lies prone against stone, rifle steady, breathing controlled. Through the scope, an enemy convoy rolls below. One shot. The lead driver drops. Confusion erupts. Two more shots. Perfect. Calculated. Enemy command collapses in seconds. Allied forces advance safely under unseen protection. A calm voice whispers into comms, target neutralized. Moving. Back to the present. Colonel Harrison stands tall, eyes locked on Aaliyah. You saved 182 lives in Kandahar, he says quietly. You dismantled enemy leadership without ever being seen. You were the ghost that ended wars before they began. Murmurs ripple through the room. Sir, she's just supply, someone mutters weakly. Harrison doesn't blink. No, he says firmly. She's not. The truth settles like thunder. The girl they mocked. The one they dismissed. The quiet figure counting magazines. Was the legend they thought was a myth. Aaliyah keeps her composure. Though her eyes glisten. I didn't want the spotlight, sir, she says softly. I just wanted peace. There's no arrogance in her voice. No hunger for recognition. Just exhaustion from battles no one here witnessed. The colonel steps forward, respect clear in his tone. You've earned your peace. But don't ever think you're just a support role. He pauses. You are Phantom Viper. Silence. Not the mocking kind. The respectful kind. From that day forward, no one laughs when she passes. Soldiers approach her differently, not with jokes, but with questions. They ask about breathing control. Trigger discipline. Patience. She never boasts. Never recounts her missions. Never wears her history like armor. She remains what she has always been. Quiet. Precise. Unshaken. But now, when her name is spoken, it carries weight. The final scene unfolds in slow motion. Aaliyah walking through the armory, reflections of rifles glinting beside her. The narrator returns, softer now. On Soldier's Legacy, we honor the warriors history almost forgot. The silent protectors. The shadows that guarded the light. Heroes don't always stand in the spotlight. Some choose silence. Some trade applause for peace. But no matter how deeply the truth is buried, it always finds its way into the light. And when it does, the world remembers. The music swells. The screen fades to black. If this story moved you, like, comment, and subscribe to Soldier's Legacy, where every uniform has a story, and every shadow may hide a legend.